here for step 1 of the home renovation planner. As you can see, we're going to be talking about home maintenance. You may be wondering why home maintenance is part of a renovation planner. To me, this is one of the most important steps to a home renovation, because if you're not maintaining what's there already, what's the point in renovating and keeping it the home that you love? I have created in the home renovation binder home maintenance schedules. I have set it up in both monthly and yearly checklists. They're both essentially the same thing, just set up slightly differently so that you can decide what works best for you. If you would like to download these two forms, I do offer them on my Etsy shop. I will post a link. I know everybody takes their car in for oil changes every 3 months or whatever it is these days, 5,000 miles. So let's make sure we're doing the same for our home. Why is home maintenance important? Keeps your home safe, your family, at low risk of fires and other health risks, mold, you name it. And again, like I said before, you change the oil in your car, so change the filter in your furnace. Also, it helps you know when to budget for replacement of big ticket items, such as your furnace. And then finally, it extends the life of your appliances. I don't know if you know this, but actually changing your furnace filter regularly will extend the life of your furnace. Having a filter in your furnace that's all clogged up makes your furnace work harder trying to push air through it, so it shortens the life. So these things are really important, not only for the health and safety of your family, but for your overall budget. So best practices for these checklists that I put together for you is to put the checklist in a visible place so you're not forgetting it. So it's top of mind and things get done. Plan a time of each month that you're going to do these tasks. Like, for instance, the first weekend of every month is your home maintenance weekend. Whatever works best for you, just make it a regular thing so it gets done. And of course, use the tracking logs that I have made for you. Some of these other logs that are included in the home renovation planner are furnace filter log, water filter log, electrical panel schedule, contractor list, and warranty list. And if you want to know more about these different logs and schedules that are in the home renovation planner, I recommend signing up for Plan B, my e-course, because I will go through each of these individually, talk about how to use the log and best practices. It's home maintenance. It's very important. I would recommend actually making this a habit before you even consider doing any kind of home renovation.